Hey Dave. So for my project, my idea is to create a soundboard, which also has a feature that can enable users to to create recordings of sounds, of like mixes and stuff. um, and so yeah, uh, the soundboard would be filled of both kind of musical sounds as well as just funny meme type sounds. Um, this is how it would look like as it records. Um, Also, for my thinking, as how to kind of record and store it, as the user presses a button, it would store the time it was pressed into something, either a text file or a data structure, and as it's supposed to play back, it would play the sound as the time hits that timestamp. And so yeah, that's my thinking. Um, Here is where I would utilize a text input to name recordings. This would obviously be where I would utilize a menu bar. And then to access previous recordings, this is where I would implement a file tree. And this is kind of where I would look like accessing a previous recording with the option to overwrite, or to, let's say, also crop, or to add, and this, of course, to playback. And then for each of the soundboard buttons, I want to add a little drop down menu. So like to change the volume or to switch spots, to hide it all together. And yeah, that's basically the scope of my project. By the first week, I want to have the entire soundboard finished, with each sound kind of working when pressed. By week 2, I want to have, by the second week, I want to have it finished where recording and playing back is just successful. And then by the week, in the last week before it's due, I want to be able to perhaps store each recording in a TXT file that can be accessed even after the program is terminated. But yeah, that's my project. Those are my goals.